Right, just so you know, I zero C. I don't know. Well, I think you have some fun with this. Who else? We don't have any answers anymore. Terrible, right? Alright, so you guys know Miss Kona is not going to be here for a couple of days. Mostly, well, you guys know what happened, so.
What happened? Oh.
So, alright, so two things. Your PSSA starts in 2 weeks. And we gotta, Makai, can you come back in, please? And we gotta fast track some of the stuff we're gonna learn, so we gotta keep it simple. We gotta keep it focused. Is that Makai's book?
No.
Whose book is that? Alright, just use that for now. Maybe this one. Alright. Guess let's see this. Alright, before we start, you know, when I applied for this, you know, when I applied for this, what?
Life is like a box of chocolates.
It's actually relevant. It's actually extremely relevant. But, Robert first. And also, if you guys see the hall pass, let me know. I can point it. Oh, great, thanks. Robert first, and whoever else wants to go.
And me. I'm second.
Yep, you're the second one. See you, Robert. Alright, does everyone have a calculator? Does everyone have a calculator? You need a calculator and you need your book as well. Alright, you're working with
Me?
it doesn't work. Oh my god, I can't. I'm not gonna babysit any single one of you. Alright, this one. Can't believe I had to use this spot. You can hear me clap once. Thank you. If I can hear me clap twice, you can hear me clap 3 times? Is that what? Yeah? I hate doing this, but. Alright, here's a fun fact. Before I applied for this job, I wanted to be an English teacher. But somehow, ended up teaching math instead.
That's what you be English?
Yes.
I can tell.
I need to know it so I can live.
Okay.
No,
Alright, that's very
I
cool.
feel like
That's
you
great.
should.
Alright, so here's the question,
We
right?
don't have to imagine.
This is relevant. Trust me, it's like kind of far-fetched, but it's relevant. Do you know a word that has 2 meanings at the same time?
Yes.
Alright, give me a word that has 2 meanings at the same time.
Bat.
Alright, let's one at a time. Christian, do you have one?
Bat.
What's that?
That's
Bat?
I already said that.
Bats? Bats, right. So it can be an animal and a, you know,
Turkey.
turkey. 2 meanings to turkey.
Yes, turkey is an animal and macaque.
Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, what else? What else? I have a few on here. I have a few. What about bright?
Stop.
What are the 2 meanings of bright?
I know. Right?
Bright. It can be, it's bright outside.
Okay.
What is the other one?
Goat.
Smart. What?
Goat.
Go?
Goat.
Goat. Right. So an animal and GOAT, right? So that's good. Alright, so why am I bringing this up, you might ask?
That don't count.
Alright, so if I say the word square, what are the two meanings that comes to mind?
Square, and then, the second half.
What are the two meanings? What do you think? We already covered this. You already know this. What are the two meanings of squares? Alright, as a shape, what is a square? Can someone tell me what a square looks like? Right? Okay. So this could be a square. What are some properties of a square? What is so special about a square? Think about the sides.
All the sides are the same.
Right, so sides are the same.
I will put. Oh yeah.
The sides are the same.
No, he said someone could say something.
Alright, listen, you can do whatever you want, just keep quiet, listen.
Okay.
After Robert.
I'm going there.
I'm not serious.
Let me go
Sarah,
after.
Wait, you?
I'm going after
Okay,
Robert.
alright.
And I'm going after.
Alright, so we have a square, so it looks like a shape. If we use square as a verb, what does that mean? Think math. What if we use it as a verb? What do we do when we square something? Because I need you guys to listen to me. Alright, if you use square as a verb, what does it look like? When do you use squares? What is it? It has to do with a number. Aiden, when do you use square as a verb? How do you put that in a sentence? It's very math related, okay? No, same math. We just talked about it a few weeks ago. The square root of, Alright, so it can be square root. But like, normally if we're trying to square something, I'm recording myself this first. Someone else. Alright, so if you're squaring a number, what does it look like? What do you do with your exponent here? What do I put here? As a question. On the question mark, what do I? So, not too much. Alright, so, late right. Right, so if you square 5, what does it look like? What do you put here on the exponent? Question mark. Right, so you square a number, you give it a power of 2. Someone tell me what 5 to the power of 2 is. If you square 5, what number do you get? 5 squared. Is what? Do you guys hear what she said? It's 25, right? You square 5 to get to 25. Alright, so if I have an actual square that has 2 sides equals to 5, what do you think the area of this? The area of this square is 25. Right, it is 25. It's the same thing because we time 2 sides together, which is also what? 5 to the second power. You get to 25. Alright, so we know this. This is good. But how do we work backwards? Evelyn, are you paying attention? How do you find the area of a square? the area of the square? How do you find the area of the square? 5 times 5, side times side, which is side to the power of 2, which is side square, right? So a square literally tells you how to calculate itself, right? You look at a shape, you know the sides, and when you think squaring something, you're just finding the area of a square. We can put lines on. Alright, but today we're going to do something backwards. Hopefully not culturally. What is a square root? Thoughts? Ping, can you go back to your seat, please? Oh, right. Alright, who's next?
It's like the number you multiply by itself.
So that's square. But what about square root? Thoughts? Does anyone recognize what this symbol means? An extended check mark. If I put my 25, it's the area from the board. Long division.
That's literally what it is.
I would say it's related, but not quite. What do you think this number would be? Alright, you have your calculator. On your calculator, there is a sign that looks exactly like this extended check mark. Look at your calculator.
Like I literally said the number multiplied by itself. He said that's not it. But I literally just Googled
Do you
it.
see this? This is your square root sign. This is too much. Alright. Yeah, please. Right, on your calculator, you're gonna see a sign that looks exactly like this. Oh, I need you to find it. I need you to find this sign and put it in your calculator. That's the first thing we're doing. All you're doing is find this sign that looks like an extended check mark. You need to find the sign that looks like this extended check mark and put it on your calculator. Yes. Right, find the sign. It's not too hard. You just gotta go through all the little buttons and you will find the sign. Right, then did you find it? What does that sign? The sign looks like this. It's on your calculator. Just have to type it. Alright, so the second thing you want to do is I gave you parentheses here. Give you parentheses following the sign. I need you to put 25 after the sign and finish it up with the end parentheses, looking like this. And find the number afterwards. I need you guys to do what I did. Right, so put in 25, put in the number and you need to you're not doing that. Well, you start doing it. Right, so what you get? You want to finish up with the, you follow with the back parentheses. Right, so what you do? The back parentheses. Alright. Write this down in your book. If you don't have it in your calculator, write this down in your book. Alright, so can someone give me an answer for this question? You guys really need to go back to this. We've got someone coming up.
I'm being antagonized.
In this classroom, you gotta go back to
Help?
this. Aaliyah,
Question mark?
Aaliyah, can you please go back to your seat? I don't want to give you a write-up. I don't want to call somebody. You guys are not helping. Alright, so everyone has this. Put it in your calculator. You put the sign first, you put the number behind, so you finish up with your back parentheses. So you press enter to find the number it gives you. You find what number it gives you. gotta sit down.
Ah, damn.
Alright, be quiet, we got a guest.
I never said we got gay.
Alright, so I know some of you guys have answers. Amina, what'd you get for the square root of 25? Alright, for us, square root of 25 is 5, yes. So what does this mean? If you look at what we did earlier, right? We squared 5 to get to 25. So what we did here instead is going backwards, right? Instead, we square rooted 25 to get to the side on the square that we used for calculating the error, right? Alright, so here's the question. If I say 4 times 4, which is 4 squared, equals to, someone tell me what 4 squared is. What is 4 squared? I know you guys know this. It is 16, thank you. Alright, so if I ask you what is the square root of 16, what do you think the number should be? Listen, you're working backwards, right? You know the area, you're trying to find the side lengths instead. Whereas earlier we have the side lengths, we square it to find the area. You can. You see you see this? You're using this, right? You press this, you put the number in, you finish up with the back parentheses. Otherwise the syntax will right. Alright, square root, whenever you see this, what do you guys think I should call this? What is this? It's like an extended check mark, right? So this is the square root. Whatever number you put down below, you put it in here, and you can go backward to find the number, the whole number or decimal. Alright, I'm gonna wait until these two are done. You guys need to look up, especially you. I don't wanna spoil it, but you're crazy like that. Gotta look at me, you gotta know what is happening. Alright, so just by intuition, because square root is going backwards when you square something, right? What do you think if 4 squared is 16? Alright, this is the second one, but the third.
I'm not doing it.
I really need to write up something. I need stuff. I need you to sit over here because it happened.
Bro, I'm literally just sitting here. You're talking about me.
Well, we didn't need that to happen.
Okay, what does that have to do with me?
Well, you don't need to be talking to them at the same time. That's all I'm saying. Alright, so what do you think the square root of 16 is if the square of 4 is 16? Yes. It would be 4, thank you. How does that work? Because we know the square of 4 is 16. So the square root of 16 brings us back to, the square root of 16 brings us back to what? Exactly, the side length of it. So if I say my square, the area of the square is 16. What do you think the side length is? If the area of the square, Peyton, if the area of the square is 16, what is the side length of the square? Your side square is 16. What is your side? You take the square root of 16, right? To find your side. Alright, so that's the
I didn't do nothing, so don't worry.
well you need to.
Alright, I'm gonna disagree.
Alright, can you open up the book to 137? 137. Thank you. Alright, here's another one. What is if 2 squared? What is 2 squared? First of all.
137.
Leah, what is 2 squared? Thoughts? 2 times 2 is 4. Thank you. Now we know 2 squared is 4. If I ask you what is the square root of 4, what do you think the number should be? We're going backwards, right? We know 2 times 2 is 4. If I square root 4 instead, what number do you get? It's gonna be 2. Thank you. Right. So these are what do you call it? These are complementary, right? 2 squared equals 4. You know, it's a normal direction of our operations. But if you're trying to find what number squared gets you 4, what do? Okay, if I know the area of a circle, area of a square, how do I find the silence of a square? You do the square root of your area to find the length of one of your sides. Right? So in this case, I can say my 4 is my area, and to find the side, I square root the area to find the side. Alright. Alright, we're going to skip a lot of stuff today. Alright, go to 138. 138, please, on your book. You're going to need a calculator, actually. 138. You're going to see a table just like this one on top of your book. And your task is very simple. All you have to do is use your calculator and find the area when you're given the side lengths, and find the side lengths where you're given the area. Alright, so how do we do the first one? A first side length 0.5. What is the area for square? Put in your calculator. 0.5 squared is how you find your area. Alright, if your side is 0.5, what is your area? Yeah, Christian. Not feeling it, just clap you down with something.
I got a mini dustpan, bro.
What is 0.5 squared? There should be more people answering this simple questions than 0.5 squared. 0.5 times 0.5. Put in your calculator. How do you square a number, right? 0.5 to the second power. To the second power, use a calculator. There's this little symbol that looks like a upward arrow. What you want to do is press it after 0.5, and you put 2 behind it. Need to know how to use these calculators on your PSSAs. It's going to be a digital. 2.3. I think you rounded up. Alright, answers. Mariah, do you have an answer for me? 0.25, right. Ava Lynn, do you have an answer for me? What is the first? What is the area for 0.5 over here? 0.25? It's a bit too late to ask that question. Alright, there are colored pencils over there.
I can't write with that.
So how do we know it's 0.25? Yes.
I was like,
Yeah, take a pause.
huh? It's not
Take
bad.
a pat.
Yeah, Kaylani.
Alright, so how did I get from 0.5 to 0.25? What did I do here? What's the verbs that we're using today? What is a verb?
Why do we get
Your hair reminds me of it reminds me of me because my
Leon, do you know the answer to this? You've been talking a lot. How do you get from 0.5 for your side to the area of 0.25? What is the operation? What is a verb we've been using today? So it's an S. It describes the area formula for a. We're squaring 0.5 to get to our area. 0.5.
I don't know what you're talking about.
0.5
I'm getting
times
a pencil.
0.5.
hell no.
0.5 squared is 0.25. 0.25 is the area. Alright, so if we do it backward, if we know the area, how do we get back to how do we find our side lengths? What is the reverse operation instead of the square? It's called square root. So instead of 1, we say it's going to be square root of 1. What is square root of 1? Put it in your calculator, find out. Square root of 1. What is the square root of 1? Think about this, right? Some number times itself is 1. What does that number have to be? So that number has to be 1. Alright, so this should be quite obvious. Alright, so you have you have a few more numbers, right? Listen up, I'm gonna give you 4 minutes, talk to your neighbors, finish off the table on 138. Just do the first row and not the second one, we're gonna get to it. Right, know how to type your square roots. And know when to use your square roots. When you're trying to go backwards, when you know the area and trying to find the sides.
Camilla, you're on the show. Wait. I was frozen.
You're squaring the
Oh
side.
yeah, it unfroze.
How do you find the area from the square knowing the side?
Hello.
What do you do on your calculator?
But I'm not done yet. Mind your business.
Oh, look in the wrong way. Why is it? Okay,
Go back. I'm sending this to adult, and this it should not happen, guys.
But I was getting shanked with a pencil.
Right. Right, please.
But you didn't do anything. So you're sending me a bad.
Stop! That wasn't me. That was me. Ah! On your left, that was not me. On your life, that was not me.
this is your area. So you test your area to get your side lengths. You take the square root of this. How do you use the square root? We're going to use this symbol.
Back up, damn!
Listen, you don't want to do this one.
I want to do it.
It's not doing that. Do superlatives. This is
That was their race.
Bro, literally.
It was their race.
so.
What is that? Next to 1.5.
I mean, that's not.
What the hell is that?
This square.
Absolutely horrendous. Absolutely diabolically horrendous.
So you square it.
What? Fucking he's like,
Bro, you told me this, like, you got let me first. Oh, yeah.
Alright, so I need to.
I'm playing with this.
okay, I would definitely marry you.
How do you find the area of the square? Alright, so alright, let's start. If you know one side, you need two. You want me to help you.
Oh yeah, this guy's only
Bro,
So 0.52 squared. How do you type square?
why would you do that to me? I agree with you.
So this is your square button. Press
Where's plus 2?
where's the plus?
Square plus 2.
I can't even-
It's literally right here.
Yeah, you gotta do your work. That's all I'm doing today. Alright, so finish this real quick. You gotta go back to see. So this is the first lesson. We're doing it, and you need to go left because if you don't pass it, I promise you cannot. I can help you with it. Square
Ah!
Miss Young or Miss O? Wait, Miss Young?
0.5. What do you do to
Miss Young?
So the square, and the area of the square.
Then you stop.
Press that. Square. Square
Stop.
is square is supposed to be which is also like the area. 0.5 here. 0.525.
Whoa!
Right.
I told you, I needed help.
Oh, let's fix it. Go make yourself.
Bro, are you serious?
Alright, give me a Okay, so two things. Let's see. 1.5 square. You need to find this 1.5 square. Equals to solve. It's this one here. 16. Square root of 16 is 2. So you need to use the square root and find the side lengths, and you need to use the square root. And for each, you're given really just like that. You know what the type is in. Alright, if you're done, I'm gonna give you your answer, take out your laptop.